In this video, we will see how to create objects. We can create objects by clicking on the Create Object tool from the toolbar. Once selected, starting clicking to add points and sketch the shape of an object. When you are finished, click on the Done button to save the object or cancel this procedure. Automatically on the right panel, the Object Information section appears. From here, we can set a name to this object. We can select a color and a 3D texture. The 3D texture will be visible only in the 3D view. Also, we can select a circular or rectangular cross-section for this object, where for the circular section we can select also the diameter, whereas for the rectangular we can set the width and the height. Finally, we can add comments specific to this object. We can create multiple objects in a similar way. Notice that while we are creating the objects on the top right, the X, Y, Z coordinates of each point appear. All objects created will appear in the Interpretation section under the Objects category. From here we can delete, hide, or show a specific object. Objects with the same name will be grouped under the same folder, and we can hide or show all the objects in this folder, but we can also hide or show all the objects that exist in the data. We can also edit the points after creating an object. To do this, simply select an object from the list and click on the Edit Object tool that appeared on the toolbar. From here, simply select a point and drag and drop to adjust its location. Apart from the slice view, we can also create an object in the B-Scan data. Click on a B-Scan window and select again the Create Object tool. In a similar way, start adding points to sketch the overall shape of a target of interest.